How to clear Revit Cache. So just go ahead and open up your Revit and navigate yourself to the top tab over here. Go ahead to WSP in the right section and you should be able to find the delete cache option. Go ahead and press on delete cache and then you'll be able to choose what kind of files you want to delete. So you can delete files older than whichever option you chose over here. So you can select Revit versions to delete cache files from specific versions. You can just go ahead and toggle whichever you want, or you could choose the options here once you expand this button. Then you could also go ahead and choose the days as we mentioned, but once you're done, you can just go ahead and press on OK over here and you'll be able to see the number of files that is about to get deleted or about to be cleared. So you can go ahead and take a look for yourselves if those are the ones or those are the files you want to get rid of. And once you're sure, you can just go ahead and press on OK. But that's pretty much the process on how you clear cache in Revit. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.